Welcome back to Million Dollar Mansions, the place where we explore the world's most expensive, rare, and breathtaking luxury homes. Today's property is not just a mansion, it is a bold statement of power, innovation, and elite living. This is the $400 million floating Helipad mansion, a futuristic masterpiece designed for those who live far beyond limits. From the very first glance, this mansion commands attention. Its smooth white organic curves, futuristic architecture, and massive glass walls make it look like a sculpted work of art rather than a traditional home. Built to blend seamlessly with water and nature, this residence feels like it is floating in its own private paradise. Surrounded by tropical palm trees, natural stone elements, and glowing water features, the entire estate radiates exclusivity and calm luxury. One of the most striking features of this property is its rooftop floating helipad. Designed for ultimate convenience and privacy, it allows direct helicopter access to the home. This is not just a luxury feature, it is a clear symbol of billionaire lifestyle. The engineering behind this structure is exceptional, combining balance, strength, and futuristic design while maintaining a sleek and elegant appearance. As you move closer to the entrance, the experience becomes even more dramatic. Wide stairways rise through flowing water, illuminated by soft blue LED lighting that reflects beautifully against the white architecture. Every step feels intentional, designed to create a grand and cinematic arrival. The entrance alone sets the tone for what lies inside, pure luxury without compromise. Stepping inside, the open-plan living area instantly delivers a sense of space, light, and sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls erase the boundary between indoors and outdoors, allowing natural beauty to become part of the interior design. Warm ambient lighting, neutral color tones, and premium modern furniture create an environment that feels both luxurious and welcoming. This space is perfect for hosting private gatherings, relaxing evenings, or simply enjoying the serene surroundings. The dining area continues this seamless elegance. Designed with modern white furniture and soft lighting, it offers panoramic views of the water and tropical landscape. At night, the glowing blue pools outside transform the dining experience into something truly special. Every meal here feels like a private 5-star resort experience, crafted for those who appreciate refined living. The bedrooms in this mansion are designed as private retreats. The master bedroom stands out as a sanctuary of comfort and style. Expansive glass walls provide stunning views, while soft lighting and premium materials create a peaceful and luxurious atmosphere. This is not just a place to sleep, it is a space to disconnect from the world and recharge in complete privacy. The master bathroom reflects the same level of attention to detail. With sleek white surfaces, glass elements, subtle lighting, and tropical accents, it feels more like a luxury spa than a bathroom. Every detail is designed to enhance relaxation while maintaining a modern and elegant aesthetic. Outdoor spaces are where this mansion truly comes alive. Infinity pools stretch alongside the architecture, blending perfectly with the surrounding water. Blue LED lighting beneath the surface creates a glowing effect at night, turning the pools into living artwork. Multiple terraces and seating areas provide endless options for entertainment, relaxation, and private moments overlooking the water. From a drone's perspective, the mansion appears like a floating futuristic sculpture. The white curves, illuminated pools, and lush tropical surroundings come together in perfect harmony. During the day, natural light highlights the architectural details, while at night, warm interior lighting and blue accents transform the property into a cinematic vision of modern luxury. This $400 million mansion is more than a home, it is a lifestyle designed for the ultra-elite. Every element reflects exclusivity, privacy, and prestige. From the floating helipad to the seamless connection with nature, this residence represents the future of luxury living. At Million Dollar Mansions, we showcase properties that redefine what is possible in luxury real estate. This floating helipad mansion stands as a powerful example of how vision, wealth, and creativity can come together to create something truly extraordinary. It is not just architecture, it is a legacy built on innovation and elegance. Thank you for watching Million Dollar Mansions. Stay connected with us to explore the world's most exclusive, high-value luxury homes. Each episode brings you closer to lifestyles few ever experience. The next mansion is even more breathtaking, only on Million Dollar Mansions.